Meanwhile, there is China. Chinese shares posting their biggest daily gain in 6 years, nearly erasing yesterday's 5.9% plunge. This after the government moved to limit selling by big investors in state-run companies. In fact, you go to jail if you sell shares short in China right now. Robert Blohm is an investment banker and economist based in Beijing. He joins us now on the phone. Robert, the big question is, what about today's comeback? Is it a dead cat bounce or the real thing?
No, well, let's see what goes on tomorrow. You know, like nearly half the shares aren't even available on the stock market. So it's fine and dandy when you take those out of the picture and you try to manipulate and play around with a few of them. Let's see what happens, when they add more and so on.
Now,
so,
hold on a second, Robert, because you used the word manipulative, and a lot of people have wondered whether the stock market over there is kind of like our stock market or not. Is it a manipulated market, and if so, how?
It's an administered market. Naturally, there are all kinds of regulations and so on. But in this case, it's broader. It's deeper than that. This is thought control. This is Leninist Goebbelsian thought control. These people are in charge of the government. The previous government and technocrats were thrown out in favor of culture, ideology, and security, police, and so on. They control media. No Wall Street Journal. No contrarian information is available there. So there's no free flow of information. You can't have
well, that sounds like a manipulated market to me. Now, the ban on short selling, you literally can go to jail if you're doing any short selling. Has there been any crackdown? Has there been anybody arrested there yet for doing that?
No, but you asked about today. Yeah, why today? Because the security guys are saying China's economy is successful. It's not because of market. It's because of security. You have a lot of police. You throw contrarians in jail. It's because you're a contrarian. If you dispute the government, if you disagree with them, you go to jail. So, of course, short sellers are contrarian. That's why the market, if anything, that can be why the market.
Robert, we have breaking news on Greece, but I just finally have to ask you, is the inside money out of the stock market right now? By the way, the people in government that have connections, did they get their money out, and are they staying out?
Yeah, when the market was going up, institutions and stuff, they're sending their funds abroad. Owners of they were all cashing out in the run-up. They know exactly what's going on.
Gotcha. Robert Blohm.
The smart money, goes out, leaves the country.
Yeah, smart money usually gets out first. Robert Blohm from Beijing. Robert, thank you very much.